Lexi. Whoa. Just out in front here, I think Lexi was trailing him. Whoa, Lexi. Let's see if there's Lexi. Whoa, there the rest of them go.
Lexi. Whoa, there the rest of them go.
Dead bird? Dead? Dead bird. Easy. Dead. Dead bird. Where is it? Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead. Dead bird. You got it? Alright. Alright. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Nice young male. Yeah. Very cool. Pretty much right where they landed, isn't it? That was your shot.
I know. I brought faster. And then the tree was right there.
Yeah. I did. You know what's really funny is the guy that missed.
I did miss.
Trying to find a way through, aren't you? Oh, wait a minute. Of course they would be where all the cat claw is, huh? Like cat claw hell. I didn't get it on film, so don't feel bad.
I was gonna...
Dead bird. Dead bird, Lex.
Pick that up, Drew.
It was right between our feet. Good girl, Roo.
Atta girl, Ruth.
Atta girl, thank you.
Oh, you got it.
That one might have its brain pan taken out.
That shot its head basically off.
Not much left of that.
Just has a big flap open in its head.
Whoa! What, that way?
Went up over that ridge and went up on.
Yeah. She's gonna bump them.
He went up over the top.
Oh, did they?
She just went up one.
Yeah, I nicked one right there. Drew feathers anyway.
Let's see him fall down.
Hey, Pepper! Holy crap! Why didn't you shoot? Huh? They scare you? Sounds bad. I know, we heard you. I thought you fell down and broke something. Get it, shoot it!
I had a heart attack. I've never done that in my entire life. Holy mackerel. That was like a scary movie moment, you know, when they do that. You're walking and then birds fly and you go, yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty funny.
Oh, I can do it.
I,
Such a girl.
I thought for sure you'd hurt yourself. Yeah. Come on, Pepper. Dead bird, Pepper. Dead? Dead bird. Where is it? Where is it? Huh? There it is! You got it! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl, Pepper, you got it! Good girl! Alright. Holy crap! Pepper, you got it! Atta girl! Atta girl, Pepper! You bring it to me?
You bring it to me.
I win.
I was right.
You were right, Mother.
Wasn't even in position.
Some good young of the year birds.
In this stuff.
Hey, dead bird, Pepper, where is it? Dead bird. Oh. Dead bird, good girl. Good girl, Pepper, dead bird. Dead. Work it out. Work it out. Work it out. Dead bird. Dead. Dead. Ah, oh, good girl. Atta girl. Oh, you gonna run away with it now? Hey! Need to work on your retrieve. There it goes. Yep, you did shoot at it. I missed it. Drew! Drew! I wasn't sure where you were over my shoulder, so I didn't shoot.
Well, I was tired, but I woke you right up. Drew, did you get one today?
Nope. I don't want to talk about it. Oh! Get it on the second shot? I think that bird's got your number. That's the same bird you shot at earlier, I think. She was pointing that.
She was pointing.
She was stopped at your feet right there. Oh, there goes another one.
There it is.
You got it, Ma? Oh, good. Got it, Ma. God, where? Oh, right there. Wow, you got good eyes. I didn't think it was gonna be that far up there. Oh, you're smelling it now, aren't you? Cool.
Dad should not load his gun anymore.
There they go.
Pepper found him.
Yeah, Pepper found them. Didn't point them for us, but she found them. There might be a holdover or two. They flushed right out of over to your right.
Oh, Pepper.
Easy, Pepper. I think they probably just kind of spread out through here, so. There you go, Tiff, shoot one.
I can't shoot because of it's charged through.
I think the little scream's funny.
Keeping your eyes open?
Yes.
Yeah. Ah!
I didn't do anything. It went to my left. I don't know what
Well, Drew was over there, so it's probably just as well that you didn't. I waited as long as I could for you. Get in front of me.
Even if I kick him up, I can't ever swing because I'm afraid of hitting somebody or a dog.
Right there. Shoot, Mom. Well, you got a shot.
Yes, they did.
Did it go down? You remember what I said?
They're not shooting if they go uphill.
If they go over a cat claw hill like that. I don't think I hit it. I don't think I hit it.
I don't know, but I'm not walking through the grass.
You want to walk in the ditch? All right. I'll walk in the grass. You can walk in the ditch. Just wanted to put you up there so you could have better shots. There they go! Holy crap!
Holy crap!
Dead bird, where is it?
Yeah.
Find it! Yeah, I saw those. You think that it... Right there.
Hey,
Good girl,
good girl,
Pepper. Get it! Dead bird!
Never.
Dead! Dead bird, find it! Where is it?
So close.
Where's it? Oh!
Excited.
It's right here.
Good girl. Alright.
Found it!
Good girl.
Wow, pretty.
Holy crap.
same color.
I know. That took forever to find. Pretty bird.
It's the one I shot.
There goes a whole bunch more.
Fly right at you.
You got one. Pepper was right in the middle of those. Again. Right there. Oh, that's a pretty male. That's the prettiest male we've shot all day. Oh, that's a beauty.
That's a pretty bird.
If you're gonna miss a bunch and then finally hit one, that's the one to hit, dude.
That's pretty.
Nice. We turn around and go wait it out. Oh, birds. Did you hit one? Did the dogs point them or they just come up at your feet? You got that one.
Got that one.
That is a double. Dead bird. There it is. Lexi, hey, Lexi. Face, thank you. Hey, Face, hey, Face, thank you. Yeah, they just went up the hill. Thank you. Drew's double. Drew's double. Nice, buddy.
Redemption!
Mine's right here somewhere.
Right there, babe.
See it, Tiff?
Is that a rock? No.
No, that's it. Oh, that's a good one. Good dog. Good fetch, babe. Good fetch. Well, it's a young male. Body's plumed out nice, but Paisley's on point straight up the hill from you, Drew. Get it?
Scared me.
Okay, hold your barrel down. I say we just walk up this valley a little bit and then go back to the truck. Oh, get it, get it, get it! Oh! Reload! Yeah,
Oh, you got one?
I got one. Dead bird, Jack, dead. Where's it? Dead bird. Dead bird, where is it? Dead. Dead, Jack, I see feathers. I hit it?
No.
You missed it.
Trying to make sure I didn't shoot the dog.
Well, I wanted it.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
Well, you got one.
Yeah, I think I might have hit the second one too, but it was kind of fluttering down. Mom thinks the first one came down right here, and the other one I kind of wing clipped and it's down there somewhere. Dogs are having so much trouble trying to find these though. Did you see the one that I shot fall? Oh, Rue's got it. Atta girl, Rue. Hey. Atta girl. Oh, thank you. I got a pretty one finally. Yes. Yeah.
Very nice.
Pretty. Pretty bird. Sure would be nice if these idiot dogs would point one so Mom have a good shot at one. Dog work sucked ass on this trip. Did you get it? Well.
Yeah, that'd be a big negative.
You keeping your eyes open?
Probably not. I'm trying just to get used to the fact that it pops up and I try to shoot it. Like this and I shoot it.
Yeah.
And I get my head down.
Probably a good idea.
But I didn't scream.
No, you didn't. You get up right there where Jack is.
Is that where it took off from?
No, it took off to my left.
So pretty. I hope there's actually something there. So pretty. Oh, she just haunched like she's gonna jump. Whoa. 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 Good girl. Whoa. Turning her head. That might be a mouse. Whoa. Where is it? That was really pretty. Whoop, there they are. Okay. Get that one, Tiff. Get that one. I hit one.
One landed right up there. I'm gonna go get it.
Okay. Where'd they take off from? Ah. Right here. Right there. She got it? Good girl, Pepper. Where are those things, Pepper? Right there. Damn. Come here, Pepper.
Scared the shit out of me.
Did you get it? No?
And then after that,
Did you? Did you watch it go down? Mark it. Just walk right at it. Got it. All right.